Hello guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RoboThoughts, our most excellent series Zero to Hero, and we are on lesson number 60, Python coding on Jetson Nano. Alright guys, in this lesson I am going to show you how to loop through an index number. In the previous lesson I showed you how to loop the list, right? Now I am going to show you how to loop through a specific index number. Alright, so basically you can also loop through the list items by referring to their index number of 1, -1, 0, 1, whatever, right? In this case you got to use the range function. Okay, range, range, and open bracket and square bracket, rounded, and another function called len, len, len function. Okay, open bracket and then close bracket, both rounded. These two are the main functions to create a loop through the indexing number, right? Let me show you an example how it works. Okay, I'm going to log into my Jetson Nano. This is okay. Let me clear this. I am already logged in. I am on my terminal. Let me open the file nano. What was the file name? list.py. Okay, now let me delete this code. All right, let's create a new one. This list equals to square bracket, and then you got to put a double quote. Let's say apple, comma, open quote, double quote, banana, close with double quote, comma, and then let's say orange. Okay, now let me close it with a square bracket. Now let's create a loop. For I in range. Okay, I think this letter I, you are learning it for the first time. I'm going to teach you what that I means. It's basically creating an imaginary object which you will learn now. I in range, and then you already specified the range, right? I in range as a function, and then you need to call for another function called len, len. Okay, in a circular bracket, and then this list. Okay, now close it, and again you got to close it because you started with len, right? Now colon. All right, now comes the indentation part. Give a space, print. Okay, this list, square bracket, then you call for I. Okay, there you go, and then close the entire thing. All right, oh man, I, and it's supposed to be I, not 1, I. Okay, and then close the bracket. Now what we need to do, I think it should work. Let's see. Control O, enter, Control X. All right, Python 3 list.py. There you go guys, boom, apple, banana, orange. So you basically you are again looping in through within that particular object of length. All right guys, I think this is a pretty straightforward and a simple example, and I'll get back to you very soon in the next video with more and more examples, and you are going to get very much hands-on. Do give me a thumbs up and leave your comment below, and I'm going to get back to you soon. Bye bye.